Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making a charcuterie board. A charcuterie board is just like a cheese board. So what we have here is a hard cheese, a soft cheese, and this soft cheese is goat's milk cheese wrapped in cranberries, and this is cheddar cheese. And I got some slices of bread, I got pepperoni, I got salami, I got I'm going to give a shout out to HU products. They have very good products. This is the everything seasoning crackers for the HU. And this is the HU Hunks. It's a cashew dipped in chocolate. It's very good. And these HU crackers, the HU everything crackers, they have a lot of everything seasoning in it. And I got some nuts, and I have some apricots, and let's get started. So I'm gonna put pepperoni first. We just take it out of the cup and we place it on there like so. And we just do that. Last one, and good. Then we take this and go like this. Boom. And then we'll take this and this and put the crackers there and put the HU Hunks right here. And got the breadsticks. Almost wrap breadsticks. Breadsticks right here. And there you have it. That's my charcuterie board. I hope you guys like this video. And remember, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for my videos and my channel. And see you in the next video. Bye!